The Eagle in the Chicken Farm. Once upon a time, there was a farm in the village. There was a smooth cliff beside the farm, and two eagles built their nest there. Once there was an earthquake. One of the eagle's egg fell into the farm. The chicken found the egg and took care of it. Soon the eagle egg hatched along with the chicken eggs. The chicken thought the eagle was a chicken too, and it was raised to be a chicken. One day, when the eagle was playing with other chickens, it saw eagles flying high. Eagle said, "I wish I could fly like that." His friends made fun of him. "Ha ha ha, you're a chicken and chicken don't fly high." The eagle believed its friends and thought, "They're right, after all I'm a chicken." The story tells us, you become what you believe you are. So if you dream of becoming an eagle, follow your dreams, not the words of a chicken.